So let's solve this previous year question of CAT 2017, which is of slot 2 based on mixture. So it's given that bottle 1 contains a mixture of milk and water in 7:2 ratio, and bottle 2 contains a mixture of milk and water in 9:4 ratio. So first of all, let's write it down. So there is a bottle 1 which has milk and water in the ratio 7:2, and there is bottle 2 which has milk and water in the ratio 9:4. Now it's given that in what ratios of volume should the liquids of in bottle 1 and bottle 2 be combined to obtain a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3:1. Okay, so we need to combine bottle 1 and bottle 2, and then what do we need the ratio of milk and water to be? 3:1. Okay, so what can we do is, first of all, let's see how many parts are in bottle 1, that is 7 plus 2 9, and how many parts are there in this 9 plus 4 13. Okay, and how many parts are in this mixture, that is 4. Now you just need to know that if you will mix bottle 1 and bottle 2, then what you will get the mixture, that is in the ratio 3:1. Okay, so let's assume this to be 7x and 2x, and assume this to be 9y and 4y, and assume this to be 3z and 1z. So you will get the equation as, now if you will mix the milk, so milk is what, 7x, and from here the milk you get is 9y. 7x plus 9y gives you what, the whole milk is 3z, and from this equation you get 2x plus 4y is equals to 1z. Now you can solve this, and you can just eliminate some of the things. Like if I solve this down, this will be multiplied by 2 and this will be multiplied by 7. So what I'll get is 14x plus 18y is equals to 6z, or what can we do is 14x plus 28y is equals to 7z. Now if we subtract this, what we'll get is 10y is equals to z. Okay, so we get the value of z in terms of y. So now I can write the 3z is what, 30z, and 1z is what, 10y. Now again, now the equation, first equation was what, 7x plus 9y is equals to 3z, or what I get is 7x plus 9y is equals to what is 3z, that is 30z, 30y, and 7x would now become 21y, or x would become nothing but 3y. So now I've just converted everything into a common variable, that is y. So now what it was given now in what the ratios were, in what ratios in of bottle 1 and bottle 2 be mixed to get 3:1. So here it's, I'll just write it down again. So in bottle 1 it was how much, 7x and 2x. What is the value of x? X is nothing but 3y. So 7x would be what, 21y, and 2x would be what, 6y, and the total would be 27y. And bottle 2 is what, it was 9y and 4y. So 9y and 4y gives us 13y. So what is the ratio of bottle 1 and bottle 2? That is 27y is to 13y, or I can write this down as 27 is to 13. So this is the answer for this question, that is option B. Now this was the one of the basic approach to solve this question. Now yes, this is lengthy, this may take up to 3 or 4 minutes to solve, but I just wanted to explain this from the basic. Now what can we do is to solve the question faster, if you have understanding of this approach. Now let's do again, let's solve this again. Just give me a minute. Yes, let's solve this again now. So I'll write it down again. Now bottle 1 had milk and water in the ratio 7:2. So it has 9 parts, and bottle 2 had milk and water in the ratio 9:4. It has how much? 13 parts. And the mixture that is being made has how much? 3:1. Milk and water in the ratio 3:1. Milk and water in the ratio 3:1. Okay. And total it has 4 parts. Okay. So what can we do is, see, we can solve this from the mixture and alligation method. So for that you need to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So see, this is for bottle 1, this is for bottle 2, and this is for the mixture. So you can use anything. Like I'll solve it in a very I'll elaborate it very much. Like first we'll go with milk. So for milk, out of total 9 parts, there are 7 parts is milk. So I can write this as 7/9. Here out of 13 parts, 9 parts is milk, 9 parts are milk, so 9/13. And here out of 4 parts, 3 parts is milk, so 3/4. Now what you need to know, you just need to subtract it. Like in the first go you will do it 3/4 minus 7/9. So this will become 36, 27 and 28. So this gives us minus 1/36. Just ignore the negative value, write the positive one. So we'll just write it like, we'll write it as 1/36 here. And solve for this again. 3/4 minus 9/13. This gives us 52, 39, 36, 3. So 3/52. 3/52. Okay, so this the value you get over here is the answer. This is the ratio, like 3/52 is to 1/36. So if you get to solve this, so this will become 36 into 3 is to 52, which is again 2 18s or 2 26s or 2 9s or 2 13s, that is 27 is to 13. Well, this was one of the way. And if you want to go by water, you can also solve this by water. Let's solve this again using water. How can we solve it using the water one? Again we'll solve it again. Wait. See, if we go by the water, so in this much we have 2 parts of water out of 9 parts, and here we have 4 parts of water out of 13. And again here we have 1 part of water out of 4. Again just subtract 1/4 minus 2/9. This gives us 36. 9 minus 8, that is 1/36. So I'll write 1/36 over here. Again I'll 1/4 minus 4/13, 52/13 minus 16, which gives us minus 3/52. Ignore the negative value, 3/52. So 3/52 is to 1/36, or 3 into 36 is to 52, which again gives us 27 is to 13. So we again get the same answer for this using the water. So here these two circles give us the ratio. In what ratio is this bottle 1 and bottle 2 have been mixed. So you can solve this by any approach, that is the variable one or this mixture and alligation. You just need to get the answer. And even after this you have any doubt, so just comment it and I'll try to explain it with more examples. So answer for this question is option B. Thank you.